Welcome back to UK Beat Watch, where we examine police interactions in public spaces, highlight accountability, and protect your rights to record. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our breakdowns. This footage comes courtesy of Reggie Photo, linked below. Be sure to support the original creator. Tonight's encounter begins with something unusual. A man lying on the ground between parked cars while officers try to figure out what's really going on. What starts as confusion turns into a subtle push for identity and authority.
Okay. You alright?
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Not too bad.
How come you were laid in between the cars?
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Just a moment.
What are you doing?
What's happened? Are you okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
What's up?
Huh?
What's up?
Picture.
Why?
Of
What? It's secret.
Huh?
I want one picture.
You want a picture of what?
Why do you want a picture of them?
No. Car.
The
Why?
car?
Car.
What car?
What's it? Small. What's it?
Why do you want a picture of the car?
I can't hear you.
Why do you want a picture of the car?
More side. More side.
Why?
A picture.
Why do you want a picture?
Pardon?
Why do you want a picture of the cars?
A nice car. That's one
Because it's a nice car.
Yeah, 1 second. Just move.
What's your name?
You were lying.
Pardon?
The officers approach calmly, trying to understand why the man is lying between vehicles. His explanation seems unclear, which immediately raises questions about intent and safety. The tone remains polite, but the officers are clearly evaluating whether this behavior indicates something more serious. This is the crucial setup moment: confusion, curiosity, and authority forming tension.
Oh no, what were you doing?
I just move the car.
What's your name?
Pardon?
What's your name?
Mine?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I'm speaking to you.
Oh, I want a car picture.
Right.
Which car?
This one here.
This blue one?
Yes.
Right, why were you lying down on the floor watching us from there?
No, I get a good picture. Car.
But you were lying,
You were lying
away
down.
from the car that you wanted to have a picture of.
No, it wasn't. The back picture.
But you no, you weren't, because you wanted a picture of this blue car. You were over there.
What was I? Oh, sorry.
What's your name, mate?
My name.
Yeah.
The individual explains he wants to take a picture of a blue car, but the story and his positioning don't align. Police recognize inconsistencies and begin probing more directly. When someone's explanation doesn't match their behavior, officers often shift from casual conversation to investigative posture. The tone remains controlled, but the questioning becomes more focused.
I do not like to give, Can I just move to the side? So
If you give me your name, yeah.
No, I can't give name.
Why?
Why name?
Well, just because I want to know who I'm speaking to.
Oh, just 1 second. Can you just move to this?
Oh, probably has. Have you been filming us? It's fine if
No,
you have.
can I get a picture?
Yeah, but if you're filming, if you've been filming
No,
us,
but
it's fine.
I want this car picture.
I know, but it's just a bit weird that you were laid on the floor.
Yeah, it's a better picture, down below.
Right.
The officers ask for his name, which he refuses to give. In the UK, citizens do not have to provide identity unless they are suspected of a crime or involved in a traffic matter. Here, the officers are trying to determine whether they have grounds to escalate, and he is exercising his right to withhold details. This quiet standoff is about boundaries and authority.
But
No, when you go low.
Let's see your pictures then.
Pardon?
Let's see your pictures then.
Really?
Of your car? Yeah.
No, 1 second. Can you just move aside when I get this picture? Lie down.
no, not
Why?
really. Because we're still trying to speak to you.
No, you don't need to speak to
Are
me.
you staying at this hotel?
Maybe one night, 2 night,
Right, okay. If you're recording us, it's fine.
No, but can you just move to the side?
Speak?
No, you've got all night to take pictures of that.
No, but it's going dark, so.
It's not. I think you've got till about 9 o'clock.
3 hours.
Really?
Yeah.
Can I get one picture
can
of
I
this car?
finish speaking?
No, I've got to get the one
Right.
picture.
No. If you're recording us, it's fine. There's no
No, but I
issue
want the
there.
picture of the car, though. The car.
I know, but what you're telling me doesn't add up to what you were doing.
The man keeps requesting space so he can take his photo, while the officers continue questioning. The refusal to cooperate frustrates the officers slightly, but they remain measured. This situation demonstrates the balance police must maintain, ensuring safety without violating public freedoms. The individual's unusual behavior makes the officers cautious, but caution alone is not legal grounds for compulsion.
Led down.
Led down.
Yeah, you were lying
2 cars
down.
away from the
Yeah, but
car.
I'm getting a picture of this car.
Right, so then why were you facing us?
I wasn't.
You was.
It was only when you said, can I help you?
No, you're already on the
You
floor
were
at that
lying
point.
down.
Yeah, I was lying down to take a picture of the car.
Right, what's your name?
I don't give names.
Why not?
You got any ID on you?
No ID. Can I get a picture of this one? Please, can you move aside? Please, ladies. Really? No?
Where's your ID?
Just one second. I get a picture of this car. I said, right. So what would you say this one here? Mercedes.
I don't know what it is.
BM, innit, that one?
The officers ask if he is staying at the hotel and whether he is filming them. They are trying to establish context, who he is, why he's here, and whether there is a security concern. Surveillance of police is legal, but unusual angles and evasive explanations can trigger further checks. Still, they remain within the limits of polite inquiry rather than legal command.
Yeah, nice car.
He successfully begins photographing the vehicles while maintaining his refusal to give personal information. The officers clearly realize they have reached the limit of what they can lawfully demand. At this stage, both sides are navigating a delicate balance. His right to record versus their responsibility to verify suspicious circumstances.
I'm just gonna get a bit of a shot here on this one.
Yeah.
So, you think nice car, this one?
The officers express that the situation seems like an act, suggesting they suspect he's intentionally provoking engagement. Yet suspicion alone is not an offense. They request his surname and date of birth, additional identification, which he refuses again. His refusal is firm but non-hostile, which prevents escalation.
I'm not engaging with you any further.
Are you not?
No, because I know, for one, for what he's just saying, that this is all a bit of an act.
Does he know me?
And you're not giving me any details. I'm asking for your name just so I can speak to you.
What details do you need?
Just your name.
Yeah, my name, yes.
What is it?
Marius.
And what's your surname?
Polski.
And your date of birth. And, right, sorry.
Oh, you want me to hit the birth as well?
Yeah. Just so we can check everything's in order, that's
Oh,
all.
I can't give that, sorry.
Okay, will you spell your surname for me, please?
No, thank you.
Why not?
Because I not commit crimes, you know. Not commit crimes.
We're not saying you,
Not saying
you have,
no.
we just want to check who you are.
He explains that he has not committed any crime and therefore does not need to provide identification. Legally speaking, he is correct. Unless officers can articulate reasonable suspicion of a specific offense, they cannot compel details. The officers choose not to escalate, showing a measured and lawful restraint.
That's all.
What, you want to check me?
Just who you are.
All right. Yes, no, thank you. Yeah, and,
Yeah.
is that okay?
Is what okay?
I don't have to give, like, you know.
No, that's fine. Enjoy
Okay.
your evening.
Yeah, have a lovely night, ladies. Hey, that's a Ford, that one, isn't it? That one over there.
So it says.
Lovely vehicle, you know.
I think so.
How are you, ladies? You good? Have a good night. Yes, yes.
Yeah, we'll have a good night. Thank you.
Ah, thank you. Have a good night. That's a Ford, that one. So, guys,
The officers conclude the interaction and wish him a good evening. The conversation ends without arrest, detention, or force, a demonstration of de-escalation and appropriate boundary recognition. This is a successful example of a voluntary interaction ending peacefully.
same evening. We're now at North Pier, and there is Blackpool Tower. We seem to have a bit of police activity down here. And look, we got the Coyote Ugly Saloon Bar.
I'm gonna ring this compote, yeah, you need some compote.
We've got the dog unit there.
Later in the evening, the scene shifts to a different area with visible police presence, including a dog unit. This appears to be unrelated activity, but it reinforces the environment, a town with active police patrol and public nightlife. The tone changes from confrontation to casual observation, easing the video into a natural conclusion. This encounter shows how both sides navigated an unusual situation carefully. The officers questioned appropriately but did not overstep legal boundaries. The individual refused to provide identity and exercised that right peacefully. So the question for you is, did the officers act fairly and respectfully, or did they push for details they had no right to demand? Share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real-world public accountability breakdowns. This video is for commentary, educational, and public awareness purposes only.